I'm Kaylin Ferris, and I am part of the team that is running the Making the Invisible Visible escape room. A really, really cool and fun experience for me because it's been a combination of learning how to manage a small team and also think a little bit creatively and design an escape room and sort of try and figure out how to tie it in with physics education in general. A lot of us weren't sure how well it was gonna get responded to, but so far I've heard nothing but glowing reviews and people seem to have really, really liked it, which I think is super cool. This is how we can sort of reach out and give back to the public and show like this is what we do, and like there's all sorts of like really cool stuff that happens here.
So I'm Laura Herzog. I am leading the What Not to Do with Your Microwave show.
And I'm Alexander Simposky, and I'm leading the Levitation Beating Back Gravity show.
It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of work. It's really cool interacting with all the kids and seeing them get really excited about all of your demonstrations. Their oohs and ahs when we light a light bulb with a microwave. I wasn't expecting everyone to react the way they did. They all got super excited. Even the adults were really shocked by some of the things that we did. So I was really happy that it got such a positive reaction.
About physics, some of the older adults were talking about it. Most of the kids just ask, you know, what is this? What can I do with this? But it's really cute.
Reaching out to the community and showing them some physics, because I don't think a lot of them really think about what the physics of anything in their life is like. So being able to explain some of it, kind of bring science into their life a little more, I really like that.
Yeah, it's really nice to actually bring people here and then force yourself to think about it in different ways than you usually do.
Joseph Durkin, and I am a graduate student volunteer running the Liquid Nitrogen show. There was tons of great demos. It was awesome to just be part of teaching people of all ages. It was really cool to get the kids and the adults and college students as well coming through here, just being able to put on as good of a demonstration as we could. Yeah. Okay. Probably the demo where I pour the liquid nitrogen on my hand. Everybody seems to think that that's going to be really dangerous, that there's a physics principle going on where you are able to stay safe and do something that looks really dangerous. That's one of my favorite parts. You get a lot of young kids who say, okay, science isn't just something that's boring in a classroom and it's not necessarily just restricted to math and a lot of equations. They see that it's actually something that lives and can be demonstrated and has a little bit of energy to it and life. And
I've been having a great time today. I've been doing some of the presentations of the Power of Air show and then also selling some of the bake sale goods, and I just really love interacting with all these community people. It's great. I don't see a lot of people from around Athens very much, going just classes all the time, and so it's really nice to just, you know, meet people, see families getting really interested in physics and having a great time. A lot of people ask about like how it is to do physics in school and stuff, and it's always really nice to just say that I love doing it so much, and I hope that, you know, it inspires somebody who's already interested in science stuff to, you know, realize that it's a really interesting life path. I really like that just everybody from the department gets into open house, professors and graduates and undergraduates, and so it's a really good event for everyone, kind of uniting everybody who does physics here, and it's really nice.
My name is Bo Zink, and my role was to help volunteering with the bottle rockets demonstration, including helping little kids, and you get to help them understand physics. So it's pretty rewarding. Highlight is definitely watching the little kids get all excited about rockets because they never expect it to go as high as it does, so it always surprises them. The main questions are all about the rockets, so how they work, like why we have to fill the water to a certain level and what kind of pressures go on, and just kind of the overall physics of how rockets work. This kind of brings everybody together and together with the community, so it's cool to see everybody together enjoying themselves.